Welcome to today's video about 12 herbs to eat after 50 to stay young and healthy. You may have heard the old saying, age is just a number, but what if I told you the secret to turning back the clock is hiding in your kitchen? That's right. As we hit the golden age of 50 and above, our bodies need that extra bit of love and care. But guess what? Mother Nature has already given us the tools. Can you guess what they are? Herbs. A sprinkle of this, a dash of that, could be your elixir of youth, strength, and health. Turmeric, rosemary, basil, just a few from the treasure chest. Are you curious about what others made the list? Wondering how they help maintain your health after 50? Want to know the science behind their magic? Then stay tuned. We're about to embark on an exciting journey through the world of herbs, exploring their benefits backed by research and the delicious ways to incorporate them into your life. So grab a cup of your favorite herbal tea, sit back, and get ready to transform your golden years into a vibrant journey of health and vitality. You don't want to miss this. Just a quick reminder, the information provided in this video is for educational purposes only and is not intended as a substitute for professional medical advice. Before we start, I have a quick question for you. What's one health-related change you've made that you're really proud of, and why? Drop your answers in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Now, let's dive into today's video, starting with number 1, Ginkgo Biloba. Ginkgo Biloba, affectionately known as the brain herb, is a popular supplement, especially among individuals over 50. Ginkgo contains potent antioxidants like flavonoids and terpenoids, which fight the damaging effects of free radicals and reduce inflammation, particularly in brain cells. The magic of Ginkgo Biloba lies in its ability to increase blood flow to various parts of your body, especially the brain, which can help improve memory and cognitive function. So, for the Sudoku and crossword enthusiasts out there, Ginkgo might be your secret weapon. When it comes to incorporating Ginkgo Biloba into your diet, a common method is via supplements. The general recommended dosage is between 120 to 240 milligrams per day, ideally split over 2 to 3 doses. But remember, it's always best to consult your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement. As with any supplement, Ginkgo Biloba has potential side effects, like dizziness, heart palpitations, or upset stomach. Some individuals may also have an allergic reaction to ginkgo. Remember, Ginkgo Biloba isn't a magic cure-all, but it can be a valuable addition to a healthy lifestyle, supplementing good nutrition, regular exercise, and mental stimulation. So, go ahead, give Ginkgo Biloba a try, but always keep your healthcare provider in the loop. Next, number 2, Black Cohosh. Black cohosh is a perennial plant native to North America that's been traditionally used by indigenous peoples for centuries. After the age of 50, it can offer specific benefits, particularly for women transitioning through menopause. When we talk about black cohosh, it's the root that's of most interest. It contains several active compounds like triterpene glycosides, including actine and chemicifugoside, isoferulic acid, and flavonoids. These work together in a synergistic way, although the exact mechanisms are not fully understood. Some research suggests these compounds interact with estrogen receptors, which could explain its beneficial effects on menopausal symptoms such as hot flashes, night sweats, and mood swings. As for dosage, clinical studies often use a standardized extract of black cohosh, usually around 40 to 80 milligrams per day. The best way to consume it is in supplement form, available at health stores and online. However, just like any substance we ingest, it's not without potential side effects. While generally considered safe, some people may experience stomach upset, headache, or a rash. And in rare cases, it's been linked to liver problems, so those with pre-existing liver conditions should avoid it. Next, number 3, Ashwagandha. As we cross the 50-year threshold, our bodies undergo numerous changes, and it becomes all the more important to focus on maintaining optimal health. One herbal ally that can come to our aid is Ashwagandha, a revered plant from traditional Indian medicine known as Ayurveda. Ashwagandha, scientifically named Withania somnifera, packs a punch with several bioactive compounds. These include withanolides, alkaloids, choline, fatty acids, amino acids, and a variety of sugars. Together, These compounds create a symphony of health benefits. Now here's what's fascinating about this herb. It's known as an adaptogen. Adaptogens help our bodies better respond to stress, whether it's physical, chemical, or biological. As we age, this adaptogenic nature of ashwagandha can support overall well-being, reducing the impact of daily stresses on our bodies. But there's more. Ashwagandha has also been shown to support cognitive function. A study in the Journal of Dietary Supplements, 2017, revealed it can boost both immediate and general memory in people with mild cognitive impairment. Ashwagandha is also associated with improved physical performance. According to a study in the Journal of Ayurveda and Integrative Medicine, 2015, it showed potential to increase muscle mass and reduce body fat percentage in healthy adults. Quite the herb, isn't it? To incorporate ashwagandha into your routine, it's generally consumed in capsule form or as a powder mixed into water or milk. The dosage can vary based on individual health needs, but a typical starting point is around 300 to 500 milligrams per day. Like all good things, moderation is key. Overconsumption may lead to side effects like upset stomach, diarrhea, and in rare cases, liver damage. With this knowledge, you can now harness the power of ashwagandha, a humble herb with big benefits for those of us navigating the exciting chapter of life after 50. Next, number 4, Echinacea. As we age, our immune system's efficiency can decline, making us more susceptible to illnesses. Echinacea, a perennial plant native to North America, is widely reputed to bolster our defenses. The power of Echinacea comes from a cocktail of active compounds including alkamides, caffeic acid derivatives, polysaccharides, and glycoproteins, each playing a crucial role. Alkamides are renowned for their immunomodulatory effects, helping our bodies fight off pathogens. Polysaccharides, on the other hand, have been found to stimulate white blood cells, our immune system's soldiers. Caffeic acid derivatives like chicoraic acid and echinacea have antioxidant properties, combating free radicals that cause cellular damage. For the best results, consuming echinacea as a tea or a supplement is recommended. An adult might aim for 1 to 2 grams of dried echinacea root daily, although guidelines can vary, and you should always consult your healthcare provider. While echinacea is generally safe, some people might experience side effects like nausea, stomach pain, or allergic reactions. If you have an autoimmune disorder, echinacea might not be the right choice for you. Next, number 5, chamomile. As we age, our bodies often need a little extra care to stay in top shape. Chamomile, a daisy-like herb, can play an important role in this process. It's a wonderful plant with numerous health benefits, particularly for those of us over 50. You might be surprised to learn that a simple cup of chamomile tea can do more than just help you unwind after a long day. Chamomile contains various beneficial compounds such as apigenin, bisabolol, and various flavonoids. These natural chemicals each have their own health-boosting properties. For example, apigenin has been linked to improved sleep and reduced insomnia, a boon as our sleep patterns often change as we get older. Flavonoids, on the other hand, are potent antioxidants that help protect our cells from damage, contributing to overall health and well-being. Chamomile is usually consumed as a tea. Just steep a chamomile tea bag or loose-dried flowers in hot water for about 5 minutes. The usual dosage is 1 to 4 cups per day. Like all good things, it's best to use chamomile in moderation. While it's generally safe for most people, some may experience allergic reactions. Also, it's good to be mindful if you're on blood thinners, as chamomile might enhance the effect of these medications. Next, number 6, milk thistle. If you've crossed the age of 50, you might have heard about milk thistle as a promising herb for your health. Let's dive into why it's so special and how it can support your well-being. Milk thistle is packed with a group of compounds known as silymarin. This isn't just one compound but a mix of flavonolignanes like silibin, isosilibin, silicristin, and silidionin. Together, these compounds work as antioxidants and can protect your liver cells from damage. Why should you care about your liver? Well, it's like your body's personal detox center, cleaning your blood and helping with digestion. As we age, our liver might need a bit of support, and that's where milk thistle comes into play. Research from the World Journal of Hepatology, 2016, has shown that silymarin can help with liver conditions, such as cirrhosis. You can find milk thistle in capsules, extracts, or even teas. But be mindful of the dosage. Typically, 150 to 200 milligrams per day with silymarin is recommended. It's a good idea to chat with your healthcare provider to find what's right for you. Now, about side effects. Most people tolerate milk thistle well. But, as with anything, there can be minor side effects like nausea or bloating. Rarely it might cause an allergic reaction, especially if you're allergic to other plants in the ragweed family. Next, number 7, Hawthorn. If you're over 50 and looking for natural ways to support your heart health, you might want to get to know Hawthorn. This incredible herb, often found in teas or supplements, could be just what your ticker needs. Hawthorn is filled with active compounds like flavonoids, oligomeric proanthocyanidins, and catechins. These compounds are believed to widen blood vessels and increase blood flow to the heart, leading to more efficient pumping. A study in the journal Phytomedicine from 2010 even found that hawthorn could reduce symptoms of heart failure. Wondering how to incorporate hawthorn into your life? You could try a tea made from its leaves and flowers or a standardized extract. But hold on, don't go overboard. Usually, a daily dosage of 160 to 900 milligrams extract for 3 to 24 weeks is recommended. Now, about side effects. Though hawthorn is generally considered safe, some people might experience nausea, headache, or dizziness. It's also worth noting that it may interact with certain heart medications, so please talk to your healthcare provider before trying anything new. Next, number 8, rosemary. Rosemary is packed with beneficial compounds like rosmarinic acid, carnosic acid, and camphor, all of which offer various health benefits. The antioxidants in rosemary may aid memory and cognition, which is particularly valuable as we age. A study in the Journal of Medicinal Food, 2016, found that these compounds could help enhance memory and concentration. What's more, rosemary can be a fantastic ally for your heart. Its anti-inflammatory properties could reduce the risk of heart disease, according to research published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry, 2011. Wondering how to incorporate it into your meals? It's as simple as adding a sprinkle of fresh or dried rosemary to your favorite dishes like soups, stews, or roasted vegetables. Just a teaspoon a day can make a difference. But hold on, don't go overboard. High doses of rosemary oil, for example, can cause digestive issues, so moderation is key. And if you're on certain medications, it's best to chat with your healthcare provider first. Next, number 9, cinnamon. The star players in cinnamon are polyphenol antioxidants like cinnamaldehyde, which is its main active compound. These antioxidants are superheroes, helping your body combat oxidative stress linked to aging and chronic diseases. Ever worry about blood sugar levels? Cinnamon can lend a hand. Research published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, 2017, suggested that cinnamon can help reduce fasting blood glucose levels, potentially managing or preventing type 2 diabetes. This spice is like your own personal blood sugar regulator. And let's not forget about your heart. A systematic review and meta-analysis in the journal Diabetes Care, 2013, demonstrated that cinnamon might lower bad LDL cholesterol, triglycerides, and total cholesterol, while keeping your good HDL cholesterol stable. Your heart will thank you. Now, how should you introduce more cinnamon to your diet? Start by adding it to your meals. Sprinkle on oatmeal, stir it into coffee, or mix it into a smoothie. But remember, moderation is key. No more than 1 to 2 teaspoons a day is the general guideline. It's generally safe, but be aware. Too much cinnamon, especially the common cassia variety, can lead to liver damage because of its coumarin content. If you're on medication for liver disease, diabetes, or a blood thinner, consult your doctor before changing your cinnamon intake. See, age is just a number, and with a dash of cinnamon, we can stay healthier and happier. Next, number 10, garlic. Have you ever thought that the humble garlic, a regular staple in many kitchens worldwide, could be a secret superfood for people over 50? You're in for a surprise. Garlic, scientifically known as Allium sativum, is packed with health-promoting compounds. The most notable of these is allicin, produced when garlic is crushed or chopped. But allicin isn't the only star of the show. Garlic also contains other sulfur compounds like diallyl disulfide and S-allylcysteine, as well as a range of vitamins and minerals. These compounds work together in fascinating ways. Allicin, for instance, is known for its potential cardiovascular benefits. A 2013 study in the Journal of Nutrition reported that it might help lower blood pressure and reduce cholesterol levels, two common health concerns as we age. Other compounds in garlic could aid our immune system, fighting off those pesky colds and flu. Now, how to eat it. Fresh garlic is the best way to go. You can add it to your salads, sauces, or stir-fries. But remember, heat can deactivate allicin, so add it towards the end of your cooking. As for the dosage, 1 to 5 cloves a day is usually recommended. But wait, like all good things, moderation is key. Overeating garlic can cause upset stomach, bloating, bad breath, and even a risk of bleeding for those on certain medications. Next, number 11, ginger. Ginger is a treasure trove of beneficial compounds, including gingerol, shogale, and zingerone. These are powerful antioxidants and anti-inflammatory agents that our bodies love. These compounds fight against chronic inflammation, a silent adversary associated with many diseases prevalent in folks over 50 like heart disease, cancer, and arthritis. But that's not all. These spicy substances in ginger can also help our digestive system. They stimulate gastric emptying, helping to soothe the common age-related issue of indigestion. Who knew that relief could be found in a humble root? So, how should you include this spicy powerhouse in your diet? Simply add a slice or two of fresh ginger to your tea, sprinkle some powdered ginger over your meal, or even take a ginger supplement. Just remember, moderation is key. Stick to 1 to 3 grams per day. Higher doses might lead to side effects such as stomach upset, heartburn, or diarrhea. Next, number 12, turmeric, golden and aromatic. Turmeric isn't just a key ingredient in your favorite curry. It's a superfood that's especially beneficial for those aged 50 and above. Turmeric's star player is curcumin, a compound famed for its potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. But did you know turmeric boasts over 200 other beneficial compounds, including turmerone and elamine, which also exhibit anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties respectively? As we age, inflammation increases, contributing to conditions like arthritis, heart disease, and even Alzheimer's. By reducing inflammation, turmeric can help keep these at bay. Additionally, curcumin can cross the blood-brain barrier, potentially protecting against age-related decreases in brain function. So, how should you incorporate turmeric into your diet? Adding it to your dishes is a simple start. Consider a daily dosage of around 500 to 2,000 milligrams of curcumin, but remember, it's always better absorbed when taken with black pepper or fat. Like anything, moderation is key. High doses or long-term use of turmeric can cause gastrointestinal issues, and it can interact with certain medications. Wow, we've journeyed through the world of herbs and discovered their powerful secrets to supporting our health after 50. But remember, this is just the start. Turmeric, basil, rosemary, and more, nature's treasures, right at our fingertips. And the best part? Each has its unique charm, and the potential benefits are as varied as their flavors. There's so much more to explore and experience. So why wait? Start adding these herbs to your meals. Remember, a dash here, a sprinkle there, could hold the key to your health and longevity. Thank you for joining us on this exciting exploration of herbs and their power. If you found this video helpful, give us a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights on health and well-being. Stay curious, stay healthy, and keep adding that spice to life. Until next time,